Good morning, everyone. Chris Capello here. Just want to show you guys real quick my BMS system. I am a building engineer for a high-rise in Manhattan, and this is one of the things that I do. This is our BMS, which is a building management system. Accent Compass is probably one of the better ones. You know, they have a very good service for a contract with us. They come by once a month, check out all the sensors, all the PM that's necessary. They're very quick to respond any issues we have. It's a very good system. So here we go. We start up here. We have our, let's go to where we are here on the 5th floor. Let's say somebody's in the screening room, which is a movie theater, and the temperature's, they want cooler. They want it to be cooler, right? So we have here at 71 degrees. So let's go to the actual unit itself. This is the actual heat pump graphic and how it's set up here. One of the components is a sensor which tells me real time what the supply air temperature is. In this case, it's 71.9. Right here by my mouse arrow is the compressor, and that will be an indicating green light to show that it's there. This is a leak sensor for the condensate. We have a system which has pumps on every unit that'll pump all the condensate water up to be piped out. So we have a sensor on every single one of them because it can leak, overflow, especially in the summer when it's hot. So right now, let's go to where I control it, and I wanna do 68 degrees. No, 68. Now I have to make sure that it saves in this column, in the space. So let's see. There we go. So it took it, and at the same time, the cooling signal is going up. That's what you want to see. So it's going to raise. When it reaches about, I don't know, in the 50s, 50%, then usually the compressor will kick on. Sometimes it'll show me the green light that the compressor is on, but I don't really take that in until I see this temperature going down. So that's what we're going to see here. On the bottom is our alarms. These, if any, like it's a condenser water system. If anytime the temperature of the water gets too high, it will put the machine in alarm. I just want to show you real quick. We can always go back to this. We have our cooling towers. So I have control of pretty much every aspect of the whole system from here or home. I have what's called Log Me In. And if I get a call, it shows our boilers, they're firing up in succession, and all the status and everything. There's a lot of components here for this. I would show you the home screen. It shows all the wind speeds and everything, but I don't want to dox my my workplace, so won't do that. So let's go back to the 5th floor. Screening room. Let's go see the status of this. All right, we're on 33% cooling signal. The space temperature is 71.2 degrees right now. So let's just say that's a little warm for them, and they want a couple of degrees cooler, which is fine. Any issues with the unit that I could detect, it will send me. Like right here, we have what's called a high pressure fault. I believe that's a dirty filter. So we have the guys from our HVAC supplier will be coming out and changing all the filters for these units. All right, 44%. Still, the supply air temperature is at 71.7. So that's telling me that the compressor did not go on yet. A few changes to this happen when the compressor kicks on. Let's see, I want to try to catch it. Let's see. Should be any seconds. There we go. So now look, it's showing me the compressor's on, but the supply air temperature is still the same. So in real time, the compressor isn't on. It should be on any other second. You're going to start seeing a drop. There we go. I believe the compressor just kicked on. So there we go. So it's going to start bringing that down. And, you know, I'll get requests, emails, whatever, to do multiple things at the same time. So what I like about this system is I can keep going back and forth. And, you know, we have our systems here with heat exchangers and pumps. I can open and control it from everything here. It's like driving a big ship, you know. And a lot of times I have to run to these units and, you know, do some hands-on stuff. But pretty much... we have an upper zone and a lower zone. We have approximately 65 stories here, so it's split in the middle up to 36th floor, and then up, it's 2 zones. So let's go back to our 5th floor. Still hasn't peeled any temperature off the space temperature yet, but you see here we have 58.2 degree Fahrenheit supplier temperature, which is pretty good. I like anything 55, 57, you know, 50 is okay. I don't like anything cooler than that because it runs the risk of freezing the coil if it gets closer to the 30s. If it's in the 30s, you have too much charge, and then you have to, you know, other things you got to do to fix that. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to show you how this works. It's just a little fraction of what it does. You know, it's pretty good. Have a good one, guys.